Hey everyone, welcome back to Python for Beginner series, and this is going to be our video number 24 of our 50 days of code challenge. And in this video we are going to talking about the Python function. So in Python, a function is a block of code that can be reused multiple times in a program, and functions are defined using the def keyword followed by the function name and a set of parentheses that may contain one or more parameters. We'll see that in our example as well. The code inside the function is intended and is executed when the function is called. So we'll see the syntax of Python function, but before that we'll see what are the types of function. Like, we have two types of functions in Python. The first one is built-in function and the second one is custom function. Built-in functions basically a function that is predefined in the Python language and is available for use in your code without the need to import any additional modules. So we have seen the built-in function examples like print, length function, range function. We have already used these built-in function in our previous exercises. And the custom function, as the name suggests, it is the user-defined function that you create yourself to perform a specific task in your code. These functions are defined using the def keyword and can take input parameters and return output. And here is the custom function syntax. First, we have to write this keyword, that is def, that is for define function name. After that, we have to provide the parameters. And here will be the code function, okay, the core code function, and after that we'll return the output. You can also define a function which takes no parameter. Okay, let me give you the example. Okay, so let's write the small function. We'll use the def keyword to write the function, and I'll write the greet function. Okay, and you have to use the colon, and inside this greet function we're gonna print the greeting hello world. Okay, and after defining the function we have to call this function. Okay, we have to simply write greet one time. Okay, this is how you can call the function. You just have to write the function name, and it is like we are not providing any parameter here, so we don't have to provide the parameters here as well, like when you call the function. So let me run the code, and here is our output, that is hello world. You can call this function as many times as you want. Greet. So I'm calling this function 5 times. Okay, let's run the code. See, 5 times it is printing the result. Cool. So this is how you can use function without the parameters. Okay, you don't have to provide the parameters. So let's see our exercise number 24 of this series. Okay, write a function that takes a string as an input and returns the number of vowels in a string. So we have already solved this questions, okay, in our series, but in this video we're going to use the function. Okay, so I have already commented the question. Now let's start writing our program. We'll use the def keyword and we'll write the function name as count vowels. I'm not providing any parameter here because we want the input from the user. Okay, so we'll use string equal to, string will be our variable, input, enter a string, and as usual we have to provide the vowels because we are counting the vowels in a string. And as you guys know, vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and uppercase letter as well, A, E, I, O, U. Okay, the counter will be start at 0. Okay, and we'll use the for character in string. Okay, the user defined string. This is the, like, we are storing the input in our string variable, the user input in the string variable. So that is the reason we are using the for loop. Character in a string, if character is in the vowel, okay, we are checking this condition, so we are incrementing the count by 1. Okay, we are incrementing the counter. So let's get out of this if statement, and we have to write return count. Okay, out of the function you have to write print. Now we have to call the count vowel function inside our print function because we want to print the vowels. Okay, so let's save the file and run the code. Enter a string anonymous 1 2 3 4 4 vowels, right? Yeah, it is correct, 4. Let's run the program again. Afshan anonymous, Afshan anonymous. Okay, so in Afshan we have 2 vowels. Okay, and in anonymous we have 4, so the result should be 6. Yeah, that is great. So this is how you can create a simple function in Python that takes a string as an input and returns the number of vowels in a string. Very simple. Like, we have already solved a lot of exercises like this. So, but in this exercise we have solved this by function. So please give it a try in your free time and let me know your thoughts in a comment section. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. If you did, then please share this video with your friends and your colleagues. And yes, make sure that you guys are subscribing to my YouTube channel. We'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and keep learning. Bye bye.